Are you tired of living in a cluttered home? Imagine waking up each day to piles of stuff. Unopened mail, dishes in the sink, clothes scattered around. This chaos isn't just an eyesore, it's an emotional burden too. Each item is a decision not made, a task not finished. It's a constant reminder of disorganization, and it weighs on your mind even when you're not looking at it. Studies have shown that clutter can lead to increased stress and decreased productivity. It can even affect your sleep and overall well-being. It's not just about being tidy, it's about creating a peaceful and efficient living environment. A clutter-free home is a serene home, one where you can relax, rejuvenate, and feel at ease. So if you're feeling overwhelmed by the clutter, you're not alone. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are 12 things you need to get a clutter-free home. First and foremost, identify what constitutes clutter in your home. Clutter, we all have it, but what exactly is it? Well, it's anything that doesn't serve a purpose or bring joy to your life. It's those stacks of unread books, unworn clothes, unopened mail, and that digital jungle of files and apps you rarely use. Understanding what clutter is and how to identify it is paramount. You see, clutter comes in many forms. There's physical clutter, those tangible items that take up space in your home. And then there's digital clutter, those thousands of unread emails, unused apps, and files that are scattered across your devices. Identifying clutter is like spotting the enemy on a battlefield. You need to know what you're up against, so take a good look around. What items in your home are just taking up space? What digital files are consuming your memory and slowing down your devices? Once you've identified the clutter, it's time to start the decluttering process. The best way to tackle clutter is to do it room by room. This approach makes the task less daunting and more manageable. It allows you to focus your energy and attention on one space at a time, making the process more effective and efficient. Start with the room that bothers you the most. Maybe it's the kitchen, with its overflowing countertops, or the living room where miscellaneous items seem to accumulate. Whatever room it is, start there. As you delve into the task, remember to sort items into categories: to keep, to donate, to sell, or to throw away. This makes the process systematic and organized. For each room, think about its purpose. Is the clutter in the room preventing it from serving its function? If so, it's time to let go of those items. And don't forget, decluttering isn't about getting rid of everything. It's about creating a comfortable, functional space that reflects your personality and lifestyle. And remember, decluttering is a process. It doesn't happen overnight. Now that you've decluttered, it's time to organize. Organization isn't just about tidying up. It's about creating a system that makes life easier and more enjoyable. Start by grouping similar items together. This could be as simple as keeping all your books on one shelf, or as detailed as sorting your kitchen utensils by their function. Next, consider the locations. Store items where you use them most. Keep your coffee mugs near the coffee machine or your office supplies close to your workspace. This principle of point-of-use storage saves time and reduces clutter. Also, think about frequency of use. Items you use daily should be easily accessible, while those used less frequently can be stored out of sight. Finally, don't forget to label where possible. Labels help everyone in the house know where things belong, making it easier to put things away. Remember, the goal is to create a system that works for you. Organization is key to maintaining a clutter-free home. Before we move on to our next step, let's take a brief pause. If you're enjoying this video so far, finding value in our tips and feeling inspired to declutter, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Your feedback motivates us to create more content like this. And hey, if you have any decluttering tips of your own, or if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment. We love hearing from you and learning from your experiences. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button to join our SmartLife Solutions community and keep the clutter-free vibes going. Also, to assist you further on this journey, we've created an ebook titled Simplify Your Home. It's a step-by-step guide to decluttering and organizing your life. Best of all, it's free. The link is in the video description below. So go ahead and grab your copy. It's time to declutter together, and remember, every little step brings you closer to a clutter-free, peaceful home. Now let's get back to our steps and continue on this transformative journey. Cleaning regularly can help keep clutter at bay. It's like a secret weapon in your battle against mess. Just as a gardener trims away the overgrowth to let the flowers bloom, so too must we sweep, dust, and mop to keep our spaces open and inviting. Daily tidying prevents small messes from becoming overwhelming mountains. Remember, it's not about perfection, but persistence. Regular cleaning is the key to maintaining your clutter-free sanctuary. A clean home is a happy home. Let's dive into more practical tips to keep your home clutter-free. The fifth step is all about selling or donating unused items. Picture this. You're rummaging through your closet and you stumble upon a jacket you haven't worn in years. You've been saving it for that one day when it might come back in style. But let's face it, that day is not coming. Instead of letting it gather dust, why not sell it online or donate it? Yes, it might feel a bit sad to part ways with it, but trust me, your closet will thank you. Moving on to the sixth step, it's time to go digital. Remember those mountains of paper cluttering up your workspace? Bills, receipts, old magazines? They're all taking up valuable space. But in today's digital age, there's no need for paper to rule your life. Scan those important documents and store them securely online. And for those magazine enthusiasts, why not switch to digital subscriptions? You'll be saving trees and space at the same time. The seventh step is about buying less. This might sound obvious, but it's easier said than done. We're constantly bombarded with advertisements telling us we need the latest gadget or the newest fashion trend. But the truth is, we don't. The next time you're tempted to buy something new, ask yourself, do I really need this? More often than not, the answer will be no. So resist the urge and save your money and your space. The eighth step is to utilize storage solutions. Imagine your kitchen countertop completely clear with every utensil and appliance having its own designated space. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with the right storage solutions, this dream can become a reality. Think vertical shelves, hanging racks, and drawer dividers. These tools can transform your cluttered spaces into organized havens. The ninth step is to declutter regularly. Decluttering is not a one-time event, it's a lifestyle. Set aside a little time each week to go through your belongings and decide what stays and what goes. It might seem like a chore at first, but once you get into the habit, it becomes second nature. The 10th step is to keep flat surfaces clear. It's easy to use your coffee table or kitchen counter as a dumping ground for random items, but resist the urge. Keep these surfaces clear, and you'll be amazed at how much bigger and cleaner your space will feel. The 11th step is to follow the one in, one out rule. This means for every new item you bring into your home, one item must go. This helps to maintain balance and prevent the accumulation of clutter. And finally, the 12th step is to be patient with yourself. Decluttering is a process, and it won't happen overnight. So, don't be too hard on yourself if progress is slow. Remember, it's about making small, consistent changes. Remember, the goal is not perfection, but progress. Living in a clutter-free home comes with numerous benefits. It's like walking into a breath of fresh air every time you step through the door. No tripping over odds and ends, no frantic searches for misplaced items. Everything has its place, and there's a place for everything. We've journeyed through the steps to achieving this state of bliss, from identifying the clutter to organizing your items and regular cleaning. And let's not forget those additional nuggets of wisdom we shared to keep your space tidy and inviting. A decluttered home means increased productivity. It means reduced stress. It's a sanctuary where you can fully relax, recharge, and revel in the simplicity and beauty of your surroundings. So, are you ready to start your decluttering journey? Remember, a clutter-free home is a clutter-free mind. Before we wrap up this video, we have a special invitation for you. Become part of the SmartLife Solutions community. Click that subscribe button now, and you won't miss out on our future videos filled with practical tips and tricks to simplify your life. And that's not all. We're offering a free Simplify Your Home ebook. It's a comprehensive roadmap to a clutter-free life, and it's waiting for you in the video description. So why wait? Start your journey towards a more organized, stress-free living environment today. Let's turn chaos into calm, one room at a time together. Remember, a clutter-free home is a clutter-free mind, and we're here to help you every step of the way.